Hi, my name is Kelvin. I'm your Microsoft Excel trainer. In this video, we're going to talk about using custom number formatting. So let's get right into it. I want to show you in this video how you can actually use formatting to help you present your data. But I want you to remember, whatever you apply onto the cell, if you are presenting it, you are not the one that is going to look at the data. It's the audience that's looking at the data. So let's make sure that you have formatted the data for everyone to easily understand what you are trying to present. So first off, we're going to talk about how we can insert a date stamp without actually writing a formula. So I'm going to click in this particular cell and I'm going to insert a date. So the keyboard shortcut for this is the semicolon. So if I want to insert a date, I will just hold down Control, then I'll press a semicolon. There you go. When I press enter, I will get today's date. This particular video is recorded on the 15th of March 2020. So let me put a keyboard shortcut here. It's actually CTRL. You hold down your Control and a combination of semicolon. That you will get your date. All right. Now let me do that over here. Control semicolon. I would like to present this date so that it is not showing 15/3/2020. Instead, I want to put in as 15th MAR 2020. So let's get on to it. Now the keyboard shortcut to enter the particular custom format is actually Control 1. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click and go into this thing called Format Cell. So once I'm in a format cell, I can always use the category called date and transform how the date should look like over here. However, I just want to share with you how you can actually custom make something on your own. So I'm going to use custom instead. Custom. And if you look at this computer, the computer that I'm using now is reading day and Y. DMY. DMY stands for day, month, year. Now I can always remove all this formatting and I'm going to change it to my own way of designing my date. So I'm going to put in there as D, and then I will see 15. If I put 2D, I'll still see 15. However, when I put 3D, it will show me SUN, as in today, 3rd of March, 15th of March is actually Sunday. Now I'm going to remove the D, and I'm going to put there M. M is going to show me the month, 3 or 03 if I put double M. If I put triple M, you will have MAR, as in March in short. But if I need a full name, March, then I'll add another M. Now I'm going to put there space YYYY. I'm going to put a comma, then I'll put a D. So it's a Sunday. So if this is how you want it to be presented, yeah, just click OK. There you go. Now, if you happen to see the hash symbol like this, simply means that the cell width is too small. Just make it bigger. Yeah, that's it. Now, what about number? What we have experienced now is basically the date. Now we're going to look at the number. So if I'm going to put in a number like 876543221, if I want to make this look really pretty, I will click the comma style. It is very general. Everyone should know about this. But I need this value to be showing the closest million possible with one decimal place. Therefore, the answer at the end, it should be 87.7 million. But I do not need the 54,321.0. I do not need this. I just want to show 87.7, then with the alphabet M at the back to show that this is a million. So let me get right into it. Let's right click, format cell. So I'm going to use a custom. I'm going to do something simple now. I'm going to click this number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th formatting. As I told you, I need one decimal place. Therefore, I'm going to remove one of the 0. So each 0 represents one decimal place. Now, observe what's happening on my sample. If I type a comma right after the 0 in this text box, put a comma, it will round up the value to the nearest thousand. So if I need to round up to the nearest million, which means I need to take away this comma as well, I'm going to put another comma. So this last two comma here suck out the comma in your data. Now, whatever balance or left in your cell will be 87.7, but 87.7 what? I told you I need to put the alphabet M. Now, in order to do that, I need to put in let's say I need a space, so I put a space, I put an open quotes, then I put a M, and I put a close quotation. So let me just make a copy of this, highlight, Control C. Let's take a look at outside. So this is how it looks like. The formatting that I applied earlier is this particular. So I told you that I need to put a hash, comma, hash, hash, 0.0. I put a double comma, then I put the open quote and close quote. Right? So now this value is showing me the shortest possible in that particular format. But if you look at it, the number is still the same in the formula bar. However, the cell has been formatted to the closest million using this particular code. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.